This Alphafun Waterbeedz multi-sensory alphabet experience is the first of its kind, a deluxe educational kit that combines fun, sensory play, learning the alphabet, building basic phonics skills, phonemic awareness, and improving fine motor skills. Ideal for preschoolers, boys, and girls alike, for ADHD, autism, sensory processing disorder, dyslexia, and for calming hyper kids. The kit includes 4 ounces of water beads that are BPA-free and non-toxic, an inflatable alpha bin, scoop, 78 alpha beads, 4 laces, 2 tweezers, and the most amazing Alphafun guide for parents and educators. The Alphafun Guide has the most amazing games and activities. A must read. View the Alphafun Guide as an open canvas to your child's individual learning needs. Most games can be adapted for a group setting as well. We believe that parents and educators know best. In line with this, you will notice that each game is open-ended and can easily be modified. The alphabets are 3-dimensional and great for a sensory learning experience. Great for those who learn best through the tactile modality. Tweezers are great for hand-eye coordination and can strengthen dexterity of the fingers. They can also enhance fine motor skills, especially the thumb pincer grip. The Alphafun Waterbeedz multi-sensory alphabet experience is a must for parents, educators, speech and occupational therapists, and a great gift for loved ones.